Happy New Year, guys. I don't really like to make resolution type videos because I believe we should be always setting goals all throughout the year. I wanted to thank all of the followers and fans and subscribers and whatnot for all your support for 2021. I really appreciate that. Thanks for all the amazing messages and feedback on the various posts and video content and all that kind of stuff that I've been putting out there. My apologies for not getting stuff out sooner or at a faster rate. I'm a pretty busy guy. My priorities are not solely on just social media content. I'm a dad, I'm a teacher, I'm a friend, I'm an instructor, and all these kind of things. And it's trying to juggle everything. But anyway, so thanks for all your support. Great things coming to the channel, cross-training videos and technique videos and podcasts. So stay tuned. Check me out on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram at Karate Unity. Just wanted to talk about some goals. So I think it's important to be self-aware of your strengths, weaknesses, and you plan to fix those things and to improve. And I think it's important to do that on a daily basis. So to have that growth mindset is important. You know, the end of the year culturally is a great little indicator to say, hey, you know what, this year's gone by, let's improve and this and that. But I find with setting New Year's Eve resolutions and things, it tends to be a little overwhelming. For me, I'm constantly keeping my eye on where I need to improve, and I'm setting goals for myself on a daily basis. You know, and so for me, you know, from a martial art perspective, there's a ton of things I can improve on. Number one is my health. So flexibility, cardio, strength and conditioning. To me, that's key, because that's what's going to keep the engine driving. I'm 53 now, so getting good rest and training regularly, stretching a lot, getting my strength and conditioning in a couple of times a week is really important, along with all the technical aspects. And there's lots of tools and technology you can capitalize on to keep you strong. Another thing I want to say is let bygones be bygones. Relationships is key, and if you've had a negative relationship with somebody, you got to simply just let it go. Some people have trouble letting things go, and that's an indicator, that's a sign of where you're at with your self-image and your relationships with others. And I think letting it go, letting negative energy go is really important. So let bygones be bygones, man. And my last little piece of sharing here is, as Joe Rogan would say, if you haven't followed Joe Rogan, check him out. I think if we can navigate through life with genuinely being nice to each other, and nice to yourself first and nice to each other second, I think we'll have a pretty manageable life. I just recently put my thoughts together on that. I think the video was called Digital Citizenship. So check it out. 4 ways to be a better digital citizen online. It's on my YouTube channel. Check it out. And it's based on all these years of experience being an educator and a martial art instructor, especially in this age now where we're online and it's easy to rip someone a new butthole. You know what I'm saying? It's really important to be genuinely nice without no agenda. You know, people, you know how it is. People can say and do things because, you know, they want more subscribers, they want a seminar from you. They basically want to step on you to move up, and you know, you can smell that a mile coming. I think it's important to recognize that and be genuinely nice with no agenda when no one's looking, right? That's what I tell all my students, my primary students and my martial arts students too, you know, and I followed that advice myself. And I think it's safe to say, you know, if you meet me and if you see what I put out online, I mean, what anybody puts out online and how they act in their personal life are in some cases very different things. But those of you who know me personally can honestly say that whatever I put out online and how I act offline is pretty much the same, right? That's my little shout out to you guys, is to basically, you know, as Joe Rogan would say, you know, if you can genuinely treat each other with kindness and respect, I mean, that's how we could navigate through life quite easily, you know, without any negative circles coming back to you. Because, you know, the other day, like, I'm just going to close with this. The other day I was having a nice little New Year's Eve brunch actually with my family, and we're just sitting there, me, my wife, and my daughter, we're sitting there and we're eating, and it was a regular restaurant that we go to, and it was a peaceful thing. We're just chilling and trying out some new dishes and relaxing. And, you know, I was just saying to myself, you know, imagine if I got caught up with the wrong crowd, or, you know, I pissed somebody off, and I'm always had to look over my shoulder and look through the windows of the restaurant and look at the exits and look at, just always feared for my life, and how I can live through life like that, I don't think I could. And trust me, I mean, I know people who do live like that, and they're not good friends of mine, but I do know of them, and I don't know if I'd want to live a life like that. You know what I mean? So let's keep it simple. Let's let bygones be bygones. Okay, whatever we've said or done, or vice versa, let's let that go, and let's continue to treat each other with kindness and respect. And I mean, I'm saying all this because culturally, this is the end of the year and the beginning of a new year. I think it's important to keep these things in our mind. And just to reiterate, I'm not going to set any specific hardcore goals for myself. I'm going to keep it evolutionary, and I'm going to be continues to be aware of what I suck at and how I can improve in all aspects of my life on a regular basis. And so I think that's the advice I'd like to share with you guys. And have a great day. Today is January 1st. All the best, one love, and Happy New Year. Okay, bye guys.